Hello horn players, I'm Jamie and I'm back with another video. This one is all about buzzing. Alright, let's get to it. Let's talk about buzzing. Buzzing is how us brass players get a sound to come out of the horn. Now, to start off, I'm going to demonstrate how to buzz with just your lips. Take your lips, press them together, and then blow through to make a buzzing sound. So I took my lips, push them together, say and then blow through. Do not hum. This is not buzzing. I've seen that. That's not buzzing. You want to blow through and get the noise to come through your lips and part them open. Like that. All right. That's step one. Now you want to take your mouthpiece and place it in the correct embouchure. If you don't know what that is, check out my embouchure video. I'll link it above and below. Put it on your mouth in the correct embouchure, 70-30. Put your lips together and do the same thing. The thing about buzzing through the mouthpiece that's different than buzzing with your lips only is that you do not have to put your lips together as closely in the mouthpiece as you do when you do with just your lips only. So you're going to part them just a little bit and put the mouthpiece on and blow. If you have trouble buzzing the first time, don't worry, keep trying. Maybe move your lips a little bit closer together and that might help get the buzzing sound out. Now, one thing, always hold your mouthpiece with 2 fingers. Just these 2 right here. You do not want to put extra pressure. So make sure when you're learning to buzz, if nothing comes out, don't press the mouthpiece into your face. We don't want that struggle sound. It just makes your sound puny. We need as much room to vibrate as possible. Very light. Which brings me to my next point, the vibrations. Let's talk about that because, as I said earlier, as a brass player, we use our mouthpiece to control our notes. So we have to do different things to play lower notes and we have to do different things to play high notes. Have you ever seen a sound wave? High frequencies have a wave that's super small and tiny. Lower frequencies have a wave that's really big with higher peaks and valleys. And that's the exact same thing with our lips and making high notes and lower notes. So for a high note, we really want to make sure that our aperture is small. The aperture is the hole, the opening of your mouth. So for a higher note, you want to make sure that that's super small and then really push your air through fast, and that will help to vibrate at a high frequency and you get a higher note. All right, and then for a low note, you really want to make sure that your lips are nice and open and they can vibrate really freely. And this is where it's important that you use the horn embouchure of 70% top lip and 30% bottom lip so that lip can really vibrate in this little teeny mouthpiece. So here's a low note. Once you can buzz at the high frequency and you can buzz at the low frequency, now we want to practice going in between them. So you're going to be slightly closing the hole as you get higher and then opening it as you get lower. So you want to start to do sirens with your buzzing. So the better you get with your sirens, the better your playing will be when you put your mouthpiece in the horn. So the last thing I want to leave you with, don't rush yourself. Don't try to get to notes that you're not ready for. Practice, buzz every day, especially in the beginning. Buzz every day for at least 5 minutes. Practice buzzing and holding out the buzz. Practice doing the sirens. Practice trying to do high notes and practice trying to do low notes. The key thing is to not rush yourself and try to do things before your mouth, which is a muscle. These mouth muscles around here is what we're trying to work. You don't want to push them before they're ready, and that will mess up your sound. That will get you to do things with your lips that you should not do, which won't give you a nice big horn sound like you want. So practice to try to get the best buzz that you can get, and if you're doing it every day, you're going to get better and better and stronger every day. You get higher and you'll be able to get lower. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at J2Horn. Now get out there and go practice.